ActiveCampaign Modify Automation. In this video, we're going to cover modifying an automation so that after each email, there is a wait step. That wait step will wait until specific conditions are met, and those conditions are when the tag does not exist, the Do Not Disturb tag. So let's dive right in. Inside your ActiveCampaign account, you're going to want to go back to your welcome automation and make a slight modification after every email that gets sent. So if you got 30 emails, there's 30 modifications. So just after, we're going to add another wait step. In this case, we're going to do until specific conditions are met. Tag does not exist, and it's going to be the Do Not Disturb tag. And there's no time limit. And we will continue to do that after every email. So that's how you modify the automation such that when somebody does something specific that you put them into another automation, you effectively pause the original automation. This way, a contact's not getting emails from different automations at the same time. So that's how we modify an automation in ActiveCampaign.